everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Coronet 500 convertible. Very rare car, being a drop top, guys. It's got the RT badging. It is not a real RT. It is a Coronet 500. Outstanding car. Bought this car from a local couple. Great people. They had the car restored just a few years ago. Matter of fact, they had it done at a Chrysler dealership here locally that has a restoration shop. Very nice car, man. This is probably one of the neatest things about it. This is the factory color combination. Factory Plum Crazy purple with the white interior. Just killer. I don't know if it gets any prettier than that color combo. Stunning Plum Crazy metallic paint on it. I believe he said it's got all the original white vinyl interior in it. Car came out of Missouri, it looks like. They've got some old title history on the car. We've got the broadcast sheet. It's been documented by Galen. I think it's one of 147 just Coronet 500 convertibles. And I think he breaks it down with these color. I think there was like 15 of them. Something's on there. I don't know. We can get that off, guys. Looks like the grill's original. These bumpers have had to been replaced. Very nice. Fender mount turn signals, again, gorgeous Plum Crazy purple metallic paint. Great driver. I've probably put, God, we got dust everywhere. Sorry, guys. Just so the traffic's so heavy out here. I probably put 15 miles on the car. Great car. Really hits the road good. Like I say, great couple that we bought the car from. These are not original. He's added those to the hood. I bought multiple cars from these folks, and they always have nice stuff. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, I believe he said that's the original white interior in it. I'll get you some photos with the top up. It's got a white convertible top. White tail stripe. It's got it on, sorry, it's on the other side. I'll show you on the other side. It's got a little crack in the paint I saw over there. Again, original trim piece around here that you can kind of pick. Car's showing 14,000 on the odometer. They said that it's 114, that's the original miles to it. New quarters, both sides, new trunk pan. You can see they did nice job on the bodywork. Nice and flat down the sides. It's got the Goodyear polyglass F70-14s all the way around it with the rally wheels. I just put new exhaust on it just because the exhaust was kind of crusty. I don't like that, so it's got brand new exhaust. It's got the chrome tips. Again, nice and straight down the sides. Well, there's nothing prettier than that color combination right there. That is just gorgeous. F70-14s all the way around it. Man, there is dust everywhere. I apologize about the dust, guys. It's just, the traffic's so heavy, they got the expressway closed down. Disc brakes on the front. That's a good looking car, man. You want to talk about something that looks good out on the road. Nathan was driving it the other day, and man, it just looks good. Matching numbers, 3D3 car, matching number 727 Torqueflite trans, 4-barrel stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. He's just redone the air. He also said they went through the engine and did the hardened valve seats, so it runs on pump gas. They added electronic ignition. Stock Mopar radiator with a shroud. I think it said power steering, power disc brakes. Is that a cap? I think that's just a cap. That's the original battery. It's got a cap on it. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Must have had a little battery spray there at one time. Original fender tag, like I say, original color combination. We do have the broadcast sheet with it. Very cool car, man. Slick paint. As most of you know, man, I'm a black guy. I like cars in black, but man, there's something about this Plum Crazy purple with white, and of course I like the Chrysler's that the B5 blue with a white, or B7 blue with a white is gorgeous too. See, the door skins are nice and clean. Again, you can pick some little things in here. Original carpet. Door seams are nice. Factory bench seat with your armrest. Stock steering wheel. It is a power top. Steering wheel looks real nice. 14,826. They said that's the actual 114 would be the original miles. I think he said the clock works too. He said they put a quartz clock in it. Again, it is a Coronet 500. Original owner's manuals are in the glove box. Oh, cruise control. It's got cruise. One of the smaller cable needs to be replaced, and they said that'll work. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 rear end. It's got the factory hold jack in here with a bias ply spare. Sorry, man, it's just dusty, guys. Again, there's a picture book of the restoration. You can see it with the top up there. Galen docs, broadcast sheet, and some receipts on the resto. They did it in like a hammer coat on the trunk here. Oh, to show you, there is a little crack right there. Clean underneath as always. There's always photos of the cars underneath on our website. Make sure you're on our website when you're looking at our cars. That is southernmotors.com. I can't emphasize that enough. We have people that are, sorry man, it's just dusty, man. We have people who are taking our pictures and ads and posting them on the internet with half the price, and it's just a scam. So make sure you are on southernmotors.com when you're looking at our cars. Or hey, do it the old-fashioned way. Call us 248-620-3355. Good car. Door handles look great. Mirrors look new. This A-pillar on chrome on both sides, that has to be new. That's too nice. Nathan's got the air on, it blows cold. They actually just went through the AC, they said. That's a killer front end. Fender mount turn signals do work. Most everything on this car I believe works. Like I say, the cruise control, all the gauges are functional, and yes, the clock works. Inside hood release. Fit and finish is really nice on the car. Backup lights work. Great sound. Radio works, right? Yep, radio works. Blower motor, like I say, all that stuff in there works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of this is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys.